approximately 70 patients, 40 red, 20 yellow, and 10 greens.
St. Luke's is clear. We can handle all incoming patients.
In any mass casualty incident or with the loss of hospital oxygen sources, the mass oxygen distribution system, or what's known as MODS from the Medlocks group, is your seamless oxygen solution for use within the hospital or deployment into the field. Are you ready? The result of a disaster may mean hundreds of patients en route. How will you administer oxygen therapy in a mass triage or overflow ER? Dozens of H cylinders? Do you have enough? And how long will they last? What about one system that can flow 450 liters per minute of oxygen to as many as 70 patients? It's self-powered, self-contained, can run continuously with variable gas locks, also known as VGLs, operates silently, and one person can transport it to your desired location. That's right, one complete portable system that safely provides oxygen therapy to up to 70 patients. Maybe you're asking yourself, who makes the MODS, and is this technology tested? The Medlocks group, the ones who designed, engineered, and manufactured the MODS you see here, is a division of Essex Cryogenics of Missouri, Incorporated. And Essex Cryogenics is one of over a dozen companies of Essex Industries Incorporated, a multi-award-winning family of businesses established in 1947. Since the early 1960s, Essex Cryogenics pioneered the development of military oxygen systems. They provide locked systems to the pilot and crew of some of the world's finest fighter jets and transport aircraft, deployable oxygen delivery systems to field surgical hospitals, and mobile oxygen delivery systems for military medical transports. They also manufacture patient liquid oxygen systems for civilian air ambulances. Then their technology landed with a series of liquid oxygen systems on board civilian ground ambulances. And now, the revolutionary MODS. So why liquid oxygen? LOX offers higher gaseous oxygen capacity by volume, lighter gross weight, better safety through significantly lower PSI, and reduced space requirements over high-pressured oxygen equipment. Now you can serve more patients from one smaller LOX vessel than a bunch of cumbersome, heavy, high-pressured H cylinders. You're seeing the onboard LOX tank, which holds 75 liters of liquid oxygen, and in seconds converts it to 64,500 gaseous liters for immediate patient use at 450 liters per minute. This is possible through the clever design of onboard vaporizers and heat exchangers that warm and expand the liquid oxygen into gas for patient use. A technology Essex has perfected since the early 1960s. Running at 450 liters per minute, the onboard LOX will last 2 to 2.5 hours. And here's something else. With 4 oversized, very durable tires that fully pivot and can be easily locked in position or braked, The mods can be used in extreme conditions, and with the optional rugged trailer, terrain is no longer an obstacle. Just tow it to the patients in the field or airlift it with the hooks on each corner. The mods is a complete system that distributes oxygen via the patient distribution kits, or PDKs. The PDK, also designed by Medlocks, distributes precise and individual oxygen flows for up to 10 patients per kit. Inside the tough, protective PDK case, you'll find 10 high-grade medical hoses that are made of kink-resistant nitro-elastomer rubber. At the distal end of each hose is an individual flow control valve providing an adjustable, precise flow rate from 0 to 15 liters per minute and a 25 liters per minute flush setting for each patient. The PDK precisely monitors supply and delivery pressure to each patient and can be connected in any configuration, such as in a parallel hookup or a series hookup. The PDK provides oxygen delivery through nasal cannulas and masks that use supply, and also provides the 50 psi source needed to power ventilators. The mods interfaces easily with most, if not all, manufacturers' ventilators. So teaming as many as 7 PDKs with the mods will maintain precise flow rates for up to 70 patients. That's worth mentioning again. Up to 70 patients with one portable self-contained system that can be stationed as far as 700 feet away from patients. And the mods requires minimal manpower. One person can set the mods up and hand out the PDK hoses to the clinicians and other personnel. It's that easy.
Surprisingly, it was really simple. We were able to deliver oxygen to 70 patients from one mods, which was pretty cool. We weren't tripping over H tanks, and we were just able to monitor all the patients and the PDKs from one area. The PDKs are really a lifesaver. The system supplied 70 patients with individual flow and plenty of line to maneuver around them. We were really, really impressed.
Whether you are developing your oxygen backup plan for disaster preparedness or planned or emergency hospital oxygen needs, the mods provides you the ultimate solution. One portable source, 70 patients. Oxygen anywhere, anytime, and in any configuration in just seconds. When every second counts, count on the Medlocks mass oxygen distribution system. Are you ready? The mods is ready.